Hi, how's everybody doing? Oh, I forgot my half and half. And I forgot the pepper. And I threw out the top yesterday. So, there you go. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. Hope everybody had a restful night. This is a 2-egg omelet with the bacon that I had cooked off already. I have more left. And yesterday when I went to the deli, when I went to drop off my taxes, I dropped them off. I'm so happy. He's going to mail me them and then the bill too. I've been going to him for years and we have it, he's my guy. So I picked up some Swiss cheese. So this is a little Swiss cheese. I don't have a fork. I'm going to put a little tomato on here. I don't have a cucumber. It's one of them weeks. So let me see how this is going to be. And this is the rye bread that I got from my daughter. I don't have any more Irish soda bread. I ate it last night for snack. This is the pear. Oh, my pillow's moving. I'm still sitting on the pillow because sometimes it hurts me still. This is the pear from the hammock. Oh. Let's see how we went. Looks nice. Oh, let me eat the paper. Delicious. We got birthdays today. Glenn Close, Bruce Willis, Paul Atkinson, Ursula Andrew, Billy Sheen, I picked him, Derek Longmire, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and Patrick McGowan. I used to love him. He was like secret agent or something a long time ago. So yeah, I dropped my taxes off. I went to the deli. And today is Tuesday. Spring is a-coming. It'll be here tonight. I think 11 o'clock. It's chilly. It's 36. Partly cloudy. And maybe it's going to try to hit 50. I hope so. Because I have to go to the bakery and pick up the Zeppoli di San Giuseppe. Because today is St. Joseph's Day, my dad's saint day. And I just love a saint day that comes with pastry. I mean, is that perfect or what? So that's what I'm going to be doing after I see my mom. I'm going to go. I think I'm going to go to Broadway. There's what's it called, Parisi? Italian bakery. I'm not going to go to the Avenue. I'm going to go the other way, under the L. So today is Social Worker Day, Appreciation and Career. Certified Nurses Day. Shout out to my niece Sandra. International Clients Appreciation. Read to Me Day. I told you I used to read to my daughter and I fell asleep. I'm in bed. 3D Day. How much fun was those glasses at the movies, really? And I tell you, it never worked for me because now maybe the glasses are better. But when I was a kid, Please, I didn't see any difference. Automatic door day, technology, backyard day. Time to get that backyard ready because we'll be picnicking and barbecuing soon. My daughter got a smoker. I can't wait to taste something. Her husband's a really nice cook. He does a lot of backyard cooking. Always comes out good. Chocolate caramel day. I remember I used to buy the chocolate caramels. I think they were 3 for a nickel. For hours, that would last all day. Those 3, because I like to. I'm one of those that I take my time. Let's Laugh Day. Native AIDS HIV Awareness Day. Poultry Day. Stretch Mark Day. I don't have stretch marks. But you know what? I had my daughter very young. I was 25. I only gained like 25 pounds in my butt, I think, and on my breast. And I don't know. It was weird. But my legs never got big. You know, I don't have any stretch marks. But today's stretch marks day, and there's nothing to be. That's life. That's life. Red nose. Spring begins tonight, 11 o'clock. Tea for 2. Ask somebody over for tea. Go out for tea. And get a Zeppoli de San Giuseppe pastry. And I think that's all I got. So it's Thankful Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. We made it through Monday, Tuesday. Spring is coming. So it's a good day just to enjoy it at its face worth. And don't waste your time trying to change people. And don't be mad at people who can't change. You know, it's in their DNA or whatever. Ready driven, so just love them. If you have to love them from a distance, love them from a distance. You know what I mean? You don't gotta get up close and personal. So enjoy your Tuesday. I'm gonna go get my pastry, and it's not my sister's favorite pastry, but I'll pick her up something else. See you later.